Welcome to lesson 5 of our Generative AI model, focusing today on the applications of Generative AI. In this session, we will explore how Generative AI is transforming industries by enabling the creation of content across various mediums: text, images, music, and even virtual worlds. Generative AI is at the forefront of innovation, providing tools that significantly enhance creative processes and technical workflows. Let's dive into some of the key applications. So, content creation. Generative AI is revolutionizing content creation, offering tools that can generate text, images, and videos. For example, ChatGPT is capable of writing articles, essays, or even scripts with a given outline, streamlining the content creation process for writers and marketers. Meanwhile, DALL-E, another groundbreaking model, creates images from textual descriptions, allowing creators to bring visual ideas to life quickly and with stunning detail. Text processing and translation. In the realm of linguistics, AI models like Google Translate and ChatGPT are making significant strides. Google Translate helps break down language barriers by providing fast and increasingly accurate translations. Similarly, ChatGPT can summarize lengthy documents, rephrase content to change tone or style, and enhance written communication efficiency. Another one, music composition. AI's impact on the music industry is notable, with models such as OpenAI's MuseNet and Amper Music, which analyze patterns in existing music to compose new pieces. These tools offer musicians and composers the ability to explore new musical styles and ideas, facilitating creativity and production. Game development. Generative AI is also making waves in game development by generating dynamic content. AI Dungeon and No Man's Sky utilize AI to create expansive narrative elements and environments, respectively. This not only enhances the gaming experience, but also aids developers in crafting more engaging and diverse game worlds. So as you can see, generative AI is not just a tool for automation. It's a catalyst for innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in creative and technical fields. By harnessing the power of these AI models, professionals across industries are finding new ways to create, customize, and deliver content that was once thought impossible. So thank you for joining me in exploring the fascinating applications of generative AI. As we continue to delve into these technologies, consider the potential they hold to transform your field of work or interest. Join me next time as we wrap up this model with a comprehensive summary of everything we have learned. So, see you then.